Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this stunning part exchange we've had come in, which is the GLC63 AMG S Premium Plus 4-litre petrol. This car comes with the remainder of your manufacturer warranty. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. So to start with, I'm going to give you a 360 tour round and then I'll show you around the inside. This vehicle's done 3,077 miles. As you can see, you have multi-beam LED headlights, giving the car a modern exterior. "20-inch black finish alloys along with red brake calipers. Going into the back of the vehicle, you'll see that you've got ISOFIX brackets on either side, which is practical for families, along with a centre armrest and cup holders that fold out, and some storage ensuring extra comfort on every journey. You also have privacy glass, giving the car a sportier appearance, a powered tailgate, which is really useful, especially if you have your hands full. You do have plenty of space there in the boot for items such as golf clubs and pushchairs, and can also put the seats down if you need more room. Parcel shelf, which keeps your personal items more secure. That can be removed if needs be. And some storage below the boot there. And you can close the boot using that button or the one on your key again. This car also has keyless entry and fixed side steps. Going in front of the driver's side, you have a suede and leather steering wheel, along with AMG performance seats, and a sliding panoramic roof, which is really nice for a sunny day like today. So that's the end of the 360 tour. Now I'm going to show you inside. On your right, you have memory seats, which are practical if there's several people driving the vehicle. Your front seats are also electrically adjustable, as well as heated, which is definitely a luxury, especially in winter. Electric windows, along with electrically folding wing mirrors, which is definitely helpful if you're in a tight space, can prevent them from being damaged. Many different controls on your wheel. Cruise control and a speed limiter, which is handy for long journeys and motorway driving, along with various different driving modes. As you can see, you have comfort, sport, individual, slippery, sport plus and race. And on the other side, you have Bluetooth, allowing you to make calls whilst on the go, and voice recognition, so you can do things like changing the radio station. In front of you, you have a digital dashboard, and you can view your trip, your navigation, radio, media, telephone. You do also have head-up display, which stops you being distracted looking back down. You can also change the layout and style depending on your own preference. In the centre, you have a touchscreen with navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth, as well as ambient lighting, which looks really effective, especially in the dark, with many different colours to choose from. If I put the car into reverse, you'll see you've got a 360-degree surround camera, making parking and reversing so much easier. You have a mouse pad, which is how you can control the screen if you don't want to touch it, along with storage in your armrest and different charging ports, which is practical for long journeys. Stepping back outside the vehicle, that was the GLC63 AMG S Premium Plus 4-litre petrol. If you'd like to book a test drive or find out about our flexible finance packages for a personalised quote, you can call 01785 899 446. Thank you.